I'm ready for it. With all this Christmas pint, can't beat it.
Metal G. You gonna be able to hit it?
Nope. Right at the top.
You missed the Metal G.
Damn it.
What the hell's going on? The world is wrong. The Christmas pint missing the Metal G.
Wow. I don't know. No Christmas miracle, I guess. Oh, yeah. Drink it down.
When I get to it.
Pretty close. A little bit too far, actually, but it's closer than I got. Nice. How does that make you feel?
Merry Christmas.
Metal G is a winner.
Where are we at right now? Oh, I'm at the Metal G now.
It's like risen a little more, I think. Yeah,
I must have hit the Metal G.
yeah. Winner, winner. Christmas dinner.
That's good pint.
Is
Nice.
that best in Western Washington?
Yeah, this O'Donnell's has won the Guinness of the Year for Destination Pacific Northwest, of course. So we had to come celebrate the Christmas pint here at O'Donnell's in the Smith Tower. So, Merry Christmas. Here's for you. Nice quiet pint. What do you think?
I think like I was saying, winter, winter Christmas dinner, that definitely applies to the O'Donnell's pints as well. Definitely the winner for all the different pints that we've tried of Guinness. They definitely pour the best Guinness, best tasting Guinness. Merry Christmas. Delicious.
Pints sure are nice and smooth here. We're down to the last drop. And we actually got the new glasses right now here. You notice that?
I actually like the ones where it has the gold, like you have the raised cork in the glass, and then they have that gold embossed, like just slightly above.
Yeah, I like that also.
Yeah. But they have clean glasses here.
The perfect pint.
Clean glasses with the Guinness logo on there, so you know they're made just right.
So now we're coming down to the very last drop of the Christmas pint.
Yeah. Wee little drop of
Christmas gold.
Irish nectar.
The Christmas gold.
Christmas gold
The Guinness of years past.
and future.
One last drop of the Irish Christmas gold.
It was a long road. It was hard, but we built up our fortitude and stuck through it. For all the viewers of Destination Pacific Northwest to find the best Guinness pint in Pacific Northwest, and I think we did it.
Well, it is a fantastic Christmas pint. Best pint of the year. O'Donnell's Irish Pub, Smith Tower. Won the crown this year, 2024. We'll see who wins next year. It's open.
Let me ask you, are we going to look for keep searching for Guinnesses, or are we going to move on to something else?